Hello, welcome to Have Future YouTube channel again. Today I will show you first how you can create your email accounts with your new website hosting. First you have to go to havefuture.biz, log in inside of your account, oops. So the last time in the previous videos we create one web hosting account, we bought a name, and then we want to have our first email account so we can actually start using our email with our name, which in my case is domain name. Learn how to do it. So you have to go in the menu email, you have to click mailboxes, and from here on the right side you have create a new email account. How you can see at the moment we do not have any emails account. Briefly, you have the settings for your POP3 IMAP SMTP. This is if you have Outlook or some other mail program software which you installed on your computer. This is the SMTP, your outgoing mail server. Now, how you can see, this is with the hosting HAVEFUTURE.BIZ, and I will show you how in the future you actually can override and you create your own name, mail dot whatever your name, domain name is. So it will be really made for you. So first, let's create a new email account. I'll create one new email account. This is the domain name which we have learned how to do on .com, and I want to activate for example domain web hosting and learn how to do. I'll create one password. You always can generate password if you really don't like to create. Okay, so this function forward is pretty interesting. If you don't want to come back to this your perfect emails for you, but you already have like Gmail account or some other account which you actually want to use it all the time, you can actually click forward. When you click forward, you actually type in your existing email account. You don't need to save a copy. If you like, you can save a copy. So all emails which are coming to this email account actually will be sent to your existing email. On this way you can create 2, 3, 5. This plan has 100 emails differently, and you can forward them to your existing emails. So technically you don't actually have to come back and check it. So at the moment I want to keep it standalone. This is how many gigabytes or megabytes you want to be your mailbox. For the moment I don't really want to use a lot, so I'll create like size 1 gigabyte and I'll click the button create. The email has been created. It's that easy. How you can see, this is your email web hosting at learnhowtodo.com. What is interesting, you have here 3 buttons for Outlook and Outlook Express, for Mozilla Thunderbird, and for Apple Mail. So if you click here, it will say, okay, I will send you a special file. When you click on this file, actually all settings of the account will be pre-configured, so you don't have even to touch your existing settings of the client which you have been installed. In this case Outlook Express or Outlook, Thunderbird or Apple Mail. At the moment I don't want to use any of my software programs. I want to use my webmail. So how you can check your email? So if I open a new mail, so webmail dot learn how to do.com. Okay. See how you see learn how to do.com, actually it's not catching anything. You have to go to webmail, which probably don't want to go, havefuture.business, and here you can actually verify your email account, but you don't want to use the hosting provider name, you want to use your own domain. It's so cool. So what you can do, you can create a DNS record. DNS record is actually a server who controlling the names on internet. This is our first actually DNS guidance here. You see you have learnhowtodo.com. Here are all different kinds of records of DNS which you already have. Now because you want to have webmail.learnhowtodo.com, you create a new record. So you're clicking on the top, add a new record, you're selecting your domain which you want to operate, and you're saying webmail. So when you type webmail.learnhowtodo.com, you're selecting scene name and you're typing, it actually will go havefuture.business. So instead of typing webmail.havefuture.business, you're typing webmail.learn.howtodo.com, and I click add. So if I explode here, you see your record has been created here with CNAME record. So let's try if this is active. webmail.learnhowtodo.com. Hello, yeah, it was my internet connection, so I will put the webmail.learnhowtodo.com. I click enter, and here it is. I end up with username and password. My mailbox, which I have created, was webhost at learnhowtodo.com. I just want to show you one more time. Here it is. That's my email. That's this, and my password. And here I am. That's webmail, which I can use, and I don't have to use domain name of my web hosting provider. I'm using my own domain name, which is learnhowtodo.com with webmail in front. You're checking your inbox, send mails, whatever you're using it. Compose mails is to create emails. You can adjust your settings with settings and so on. But for me, maybe in another video I will go with you over the webmail settings. I'll just click logout. That's the way how you actually using your webmail dot whatever domain it is .com. Thank you for watching Have Future YouTube channel. Next video I will give you some extra settings. Goodbye.